channel. I'll say that part. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Markayylaab, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today I'm cooking with
Josiah.
Yes. And so let's get into the video. Don't forget to
subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel and hit that like button and subscribe.
Good job.
Cooking fried cabbage, and the first thing we need to fry the bacon.
Yes, so let's get the pan.
Okay.
And we will do, put on the stove.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. And
I'm gonna try to be careful not to the bacon slip out of my hand, but it slips, then I'm not gonna put it on the thing. But it don't slips on right off my hand, then I'm gonna just keep on putting in here.
okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll put 6 pieces. What you doing? What you doing? So these are our plates. I only gave Josiah a little bit because he only eats a little bit and he's not about to be wasting my food. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all be safe out there. Thank you guys so much. Bye.